just the way I am. But I do it out of love. I love all you guys. You guys, let me talk. Because this is the only time you guys are gonna see me like this, okay? What?
Nothing.
This means a lot to me, and I couldn't be more proud to see how much you guys have grown. I came back from drum corps again this summer, and I was like, oh, this is gonna suck. I'm gonna hate this. And last night, I walked off the field, and I could have been more proud of everybody. Like, it was a lot. And Josh.
Yeah.
Just for anybody else or for anybody that knows what this means, I just like to say a few special things to everybody that I love so much.
Yeah.